Model 2009 Renault TRAFIC VIVARO long wheelbase, LH29dCi 115 high top roof camper van. Rare Bodyworks bang on the money. Starstruck. Body, silver, camper. Mileage, 164,415. Engine, 1996 ccfl FHA 6 115 bhp. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs fine, injector number 4 needs replacing, easy repair if you know what you're doing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. First to see will buy this. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is in Nice, the rear camper conversion is done to a very good standard. Professionally insulated, has some electrics fitted and a nice diesel night heater. If you get the injector fixed on this you can get in and off you go camping grin. Features: electric windows, air con, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 4. HP